Hello everyone, Junebug with Junebug CB Repair, BMK amps. Got a General Lee here from my friend Tugboat. Radio was in pretty bad shape. Had some burnt traces. I think somebody he'd carried it to somebody and had a little bit of work done, and don't exactly know what went wrong, but then we got it all straightened out now. Turn that down. Alright, so let's see what we got going on here. Got a 100-watt slug, PEP position. Got a little over a 2-watt dead key on the low. Ella. Alright, so let's see. We'll go to high. Just a touch over 10 watts on high. About 10 and a half, almost 11 watts on high. L. Would help if I turned the doggone mic gain back up. L. So we're getting about 50 to 55 watts, 52, 53, somewhere in that area. So looks real good, man. Not really hearing a whole lot on the band tonight. Anyway, nonetheless. Alright, Tugboat is ready whenever you want to come pick it up, man. Doing a real good job. Take care, everyone. Junebug CB Repair, BMK amps. Bump bump.